How to improve reading skills for IELTS to get Band 9, including real-life examples, facts, and in-depth discussion of each topic. Welcome to this ultimate guide to mastering IELTS reading and achieving that dream Band 9. Reading is not just about understanding words on a page. It's about reading with purpose, speed, and precision. Whether you're struggling to complete all 40 questions in time or finding true, false, not given questions confusing, this video will break it all down for you. Yes, Band 9 is possible, and many real candidates do it every year, but they all have something in common: strategy, practice, and mindset. Today, we'll help you become one of them. In this video, we'll cover 1. What Band 9 in reading really means. 2. Understanding the IELTS reading test format. 3. Types of questions and how to master each. 4. Skimming, scanning, and detailed reading strategies. 5. Time management techniques. 6. Vocabulary power for fast reading. 7. Dealing with difficult or unfamiliar topics. 8. Real-life examples of Band 9 strategies. 9. Daily practice plan for guaranteed growth. 10. Common mistakes to avoid. 11. Final action plan to reach Band 9. Let's begin. What Band 9 in reading really means. Band 9 in IELTS reading means you're almost perfect. For academic reading, it usually requires 39 to 40 correct answers out of 40. For general training, around 40 out of 40 as well. This isn't just about reading well, it's about answering accurately, efficiently, and under pressure. Think about it. Millions take the IELTS, but only a small percentage reach Band 9. According to IDP and British Council statistics, only about 1 to 2% of candidates get a 9 in reading. Those who do, they don't just read English, they live it. Understanding the IELTS reading test format. First things first, know your battlefield. The IELTS reading section has 3 passages, academic, or 3 sections, general training, 40 questions total. Time, 60 minutes, and no extra time to transfer answers. The texts get harder as you go. Academic texts are from journals, books, magazines. General training includes everyday contexts like notices or job descriptions. Knowing the format helps you plan your attack. Just like a soldier wouldn't go into battle without knowing the terrain, you shouldn't go into IELTS blind. Scene 4. Types of questions and how to master each. Here's where most students fall behind. They treat all questions the same. Let's break down the main types and how to handle each. 1. Multiple choice. Focus on eliminating wrong options. Keywords matter. 2. False not given. This is not a guessing game. True equals same meaning. False equals contradiction. No clear info. 3. Matching headings. Skim each paragraph. Don't read in detail yet. Look for main idea, not facts. 4. Sentence completion. Watch out for paraphrasing. Grammar rules help here. 5. Summary, note, table completion. Scan for specific words. Be mindful of word limits. 6. Matching information. Paragraph by paragraph scanning is key. 7. Short answer questions. Stay within the word limit. Use the exact form from the passage. Real-life tip. A student named Raza from Pakistan scored Band 9 by training each question type separately for 10 days. That's how detailed you need to be. Skimming, scanning, and detailed reading strategies. These 3 are your holy trinity. Skimming, for understanding the general idea, used first. Scanning, for locating specific info, dates, names, numbers. Detailed reading, for answering complex or inference-based questions. Example: Let's say the question is about the role of bees in pollination. You skim to find the section about bees. You scan for the word pollination. Then you read that part in detail to answer correctly. Master these skills and you reduce time and increase accuracy. Scene 6. Time management techniques. 60 minutes, 3 passages. No mercy. Here's a Band 9 time division strategy. Passage 1, 15 minutes. Passage 2, 20 minutes. Passage 3, 25 minutes. But the key is flexibility. If passage 1 is super easy, finish in 10 and give that time to passage 3. Real life story. Maria from Brazil kept a digital timer and practiced mock tests daily for 2 weeks. By exam day, she finished 5 minutes early. Vocabulary power for fast reading. Let's be honest, vocabulary is your fuel. Build a habit of reading articles, journals, or Wikipedia entries on unfamiliar topics. Use tools like Anki or Quizlet to revise high-frequency IELTS words. Focus on word families. Create, creative, creation, creativity. Fact. Research shows that students with a working vocabulary of 8,000, 10,000 words tend to perform best in IELTS reading. Dealing with difficult or unfamiliar topics. Don't panic if you see a passage on quantum physics or insect behavior. IELTS doesn't test your knowledge, only your ability to locate and interpret. Strategy. Ignore your fear. Focus on keywords, topic sentences, context clues. Example. One passage was about the history of the fountain pen. Most students panicked, but one Band 9 achiever said, "I didn't know about pens, but I knew how to follow keywords." Real-life examples of Band 9 strategies. Narrator, let's hear from a few achievers. Ali, India, scored Band 9 by solving one Cambridge reading test daily for 30 days and reviewing each mistake. Sarah, Turkey, read articles from The Economist and practiced matching headings every morning for 15 minutes. Jake, UK, didn't focus on just tests. He analyzed passages and highlighted paraphrased expressions to improve vocabulary recall. Scene 10. Daily practice plan for guaranteed growth. Here's your daily Band 9 plan, 1 hour day. Day 1 to 10. Focus on question types, 1 type per day. Day 11 to 20. Complete 1 full passage per day with review. Day 21 to 30. 1 full mock reading test per day under time. Review all mistakes, build vocabulary flashcards, and revise weekly. Remember, progress is not magic. It's a method. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's list some Band 9 killers. Reading every word slowly. Spending too long on one question. Guessing without logic. Ignoring time. Copying wrong spellings. Writing more words than allowed. Know these and avoid them like traps. Let's wrap it up with a final, powerful checklist. Know all question types. Master skimming, scanning, reading. Time yourself during every practice. Build topic-specific vocabulary. Review every mistake. Stay consistent. Fact to remember. Most Band 9 scorers don't read more, they read smarter. If they can do it, so can you. Band 9 is not just a dream, it's a target. And with the right strategies, daily habits, and belief in yourself, it's totally within